Welcome to Haichang Sidong Packaging, a trusted manufacturer of woven and jumbo bags for over 28 years, equipped with 18 production lines, with a daily production capacity of over 100 tons. Featuring advanced Hengli high-speed flat yarn drawing machines. Producing durable polypropylene tapes for every woven bag. Equipped with 400 sets of advanced circular looms. Including Hengli 6 shuttle high-speed circular looms. Yanfeng direct drive suspension. 4 shuttle circular looms. And Halide chem flap circular looms, ensuring high efficiency and precision in fabric weaving. Using 8 colorful servo gearless satellite flexographic printing machines. For vibrant, accurate, and consistent designs. Equipped with heat cut and print integrated machines. Fully automatic bag cutting, liner inserting, and sewing lines. We ensure efficiency, consistency, and top-quality PPwoven bags. Skilled workers complete the final assembly with reinforced stitching. Ensuring every jumbo bag meets the highest standards. From yarn to finished bags. Every step reflects quality, precision, and commitment.